Security advisor Kuldeep Singh has reportedly given assurance to provide detailed reports on the progress of CBI investigation about brutal killing of Pizam Hemjid and Lintungan Bihijam by July 20. Former Minister A.K. Mirabai informed about this development following a meeting with security advisor today. Speaking to media persons, A.K. Mirabai said she, along with GAC members, met Manipur Governor Anusuya Uike yesterday and demanded a status report on the CBI case. Governor then arranged a meeting with security advisor for them. In the meeting today, security advisor Kuldeep Singh gave assurance to share some details on the progress of investigation by CBI by July 20. Mirabai also informed that the security advisor also gave strict direction to Assam Rifles to give a response about the investigation. A.K. Mirabai further maintained that GAC will decide further course of actions after July 20 by duly consulting with public. It may be mentioned that Pizam Hemjid and Lintungan Hijam have been missing since July last year, but pictures of both the students went viral in social media platforms in September last year with purported bodies of the students. This incident created uproar among people in the state, resulting in widespread agitations demanding justice for the two students.
Madam Governor na takpi bagi matungina ay security advisor unaraga CBI gi objik bagi present status khangan ge hai bagi matungina ngasi se koi pung 13 taba matamda security advisor Kuldeep Singh unaraba matungda ai khoina pami ba demand mayam sindo mongoda mata sidadana hairaba matungda ai khoi gi di tang 23 da makoi gi anniversary de haibado dai makoi gi mathau mangam pangthokna bagi numisida mathau mangam pangthokna bagi damakta sigre natra sangre haibagi tangdangwa asengba ama khangan biu karigumba laigidare haiba taragadi phi machet am tawrabasu saru machet am tawrabasu ai koi pibiu haiba demand je yam kanna hainare makoina tang kun phawbagi manungda asengba ngami natra ngamde haibagi poto chapchana koi pau pira age haidun telephone number la hore maruina meli Assam Rifle da instruction achobama tawre soidana tang kun phawbagi manungda di positive response ama phangadra haibagi thajabadu ai ko de pira ma soidana ki pigani haidana aduga loinana karigumba phangdaba taragadi ekoi tang 23 da ekoi kari tawgadage haibadu ti makha taba ekoi objike haigiroi haidana sumaina thamami